Hi. Today we're discussing two Vartikas to the Sutra 61101, our new friend, Akasavarne Dirgaha. Akasavarne Dirgaha. When an ak is followed by its savarna, ach vowel, both the preceding and following are replaced by a single dirga, antarivacha, which will be like the last of the preceding and the first of the following. Akasavarne dirgaha. Now, that sutra is followed in the tradition, we can say, by two widely accepted Vartikas. Okay, here we go. The first is Rti Savarne Rurva. Rti Savarne Rurva. The Anuvrti, again, Ekaha Purva Parayoho. Ekaha Purva Parayoho. So Savarne Rti Pare. Savarne Rti Pare. Purva Parayoho Sthane. Ekaha Rur Va. That's the key point here. Va. So Savarne Rti Pare. Purva Parayoho Sthane. Shashti Sthane Yoga, of course. Ekaha Rur Va. Syat. So when a Savarna Rur follows, and that is by implication Rur, in place of the preceding and following, a single Rur comes optionally. Now the Rur by implication, I think we should just leave it alone. Because as we know, because of Rulavarne Yormita Savarnyam Vacham, technically Savarna of Rur is also Lur, which we'll see more in the second one. But these rules are not riddles, they're meant for a purpose. So common sense comes in to disambiguate things from time to time. So when a Savarna Rur follows Rur, in place of both the preceding and following, a single Rur shall come optionally. And here's another little point, which is not always stressed, but it's out there, which is this Rur, which comes in place of the preceding Rur and its Savarna Rur, will be Guru. Now, this is outside my already limited frame of reference, but it's there. And according to Batoji, it has to do with the fact that this Rur is actually two Rur consonants taken together, which is way out of my line. My understanding, but it doesn't matter because that's how it is. So an example is Hotr Rurkara. Hotr Rurkara. So we have the Akasavarne Dirgaha option, which would be Hotr Kara with a Dirga Rur, Hotr Kara. And then we have the option of not having the Dirga come, and it is Hotr Kara. So, and that would be Guru, because it's the one that came in place of the preceding and following, instead of being a normal Dirga, a Kasavarne Dirga. So then we also have Lurti Savarne Lurva. Lurti Savarne Lurva. When Savarna Lur follows, and in this case, it's understood that it could be either Rur or Lur. Again, because there's Savarnas in the grammar. So it's understood that the following one, the one that follows lur, may be either r or lur. So when a Savarna lur follows, in place of both the preceding and following, a single lur comes optionally, and as with lur, this lur is guru. So the example we have is hotr lurkara, hotr lurkara. So if we take just the dirgha replacement, we get hotr kara, hotr kara. Now, we already know this little trick. The dirgha comes, but because lur has no dirgha, it becomes dirgha ur. So hotr plus lurkara becomes hotrkara, or because this varta makes that dirgha substitution optional, it could also be hotlurkara. And that's it for those.